Hey, Coach Dan Long here, and do you like cheat meals like me? Do you like burgers, french fries, shakes, etc.? Absolutely, I know you do. And are you over the age of 40 like me? I'm 46 years old, okay? If you're not 40, that's okay. I still love you. I'll see you on the next video. But if you are over 40, I'm talking to you specifically because today I'm gonna answer the question, do you have to avoid cheat meals and high carb meals to actually be able to get the midsection to release? The answer is capital letters N-O, two exclamation marks. You hear me? N-O, two exclamation marks, because these foods right here can be put back into your diet if you do it strategically. And I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna teach you on this page here in a second, all right, exactly how to do it. Now, here's the thing, keto, paleo, vegan diets, holy turbo shakes, all these Nutrisystem, Weight Watchers, you name it, right? They tell you can't have foods like this. I'm so excited because guess what? Yes, you can, and today you're being introduced to something that's taken 20 plus years to create called the over 40 Hormone Reset Diet. Yes, let me tell you why it's your hormones. Because if you're over the age of 40, like me, and by the way, I've been training and nutritionally helping moms, dads, kids, professional athletes, Olympians for over 20 plus years. And it's taken over 20 years to create this system to help you live a healthy lifestyle and put high carb cheat meals back onto your plate. And I'm gonna tell you how to do it. One, you have to strategically meal time. Two, you have to strategically meal pair. So when you eat this, you have to pair it. Okay, and three, high carb cheat meals have to be done strategically with those two in a protocol that's all easy to follow at this link in a second. So now, if I've got your attention and you're over the age of 40, I don't care if you're 40, 50, 60, 70 plus, this will work, okay? It all starts on day one. You will actually start to feel, oh, by the way, keto, paleo, vegan, all those diets, what happens? They restrict you from this. Burgers are one of the number one foods in America that's eaten the most. There are burger joints everywhere, okay? You gotta avoid burgers? What about french fries? Another amazing food that you shouldn't have to avoid. Tastes so amazing, right? And you can live a healthy lifestyle. What about shakes? What about all the other high carb cheat meals that you so crave? You can have them, and you have to do it strategically though, okay? Because here's what's happening. The fad diets are actually hurting your hormones. Yes, they are hurting your hormones. I sat next to a woman on a plane and she told me she just went through gastro bypass surgery. Almost got the name mixed up here. Bypass surgery because of her hormones being so whacked out because of so many fad diets. I know I'm guilty too, and I failed on all three of those diets, by the way. I failed on all three. Right? That's why we created this number one system called the Over 40 Hormone Reset Diet to take all of the hormones that are messed up right now, boost hormones, boost metabolism, fight the aging process, put high carb cheat meals back on your plate. Now you can't have them every single minute, but you dang sure can put these back on your plate and live a healthy lifestyle and getting all of this in the midsection to release, okay? This is one of my favorite spots. I don't know if you have one of these in your hometown, but this is a favorite spot. You want some fries, you want some burgers, and if you want a shake, this is the place to go, along with this one-day hormone reset that I have for you at this link below, okay? 20 plus years to create it. I'm super excited because you are one of the first to actually get access to it, and it all starts by clicking the link below now.